Smile. I totally was taking pictures this whole time.
At all.
Why didn't you say something, dude? I was taking pictures this whole time.
We'll direct you to go right there.
Flying down now. It's all about positive.
Alright, we'll check back in like a little bit. We should be there in like an hour and a half.
Ready? Finally landed in Atlanta. Or LA. I think I am. So there's not really an intro because I thought I was recording, but I was taking pictures, so that one up. But we're in Atlanta. We're here to pick up a car, and we're about to hop on this train. We just landed in the airport, so we'll check in a little bit. But once we figure out how to get the hell out of here, so we'll let you know what we're doing. This way. Order an Uber, go pick up this way. Alright, so we just walked out of the airport. We're gonna go to the designated ride area to pick up an Uber, and we walk past this little gem. Look at this thing. Dude, this thing is clean as hell. Clean interior. I love these wheels. They're 5 Series wheels, I think. Oh, this thing is beautiful. So yeah, we're in Atlanta. We're gonna go pick up the car. Hopefully this thing's not a piece of crap when we go check it out. Yeah, we might buy it and drive home 12 hours. We bought one-way tickets, so we're driving home in something, whether it's a rental or whether it's a car that we're gonna buy. So we'll check back in a little bit. Damn, look at that Hot Boy. Look at them rims, bro. Look at them rims. Let me just say, it's beautiful down here. And it's, let's say, October 28th. It's freezing up in PA. You gotta move to Georgia. You got good weather down here. Look at this kid. Come on, pop a wheelie. We just landed. We're getting in our Uber now.
Your Uber to where?
To meet up with the dude.
Alright.
Is that Bugs? Ew!
You still drunk? It's got an exhaust leak, but from where? Do you know?
Right here.
Yeah, it's right here. It's at the Y-Bike. Yeah. Yeah, it's alright. What's up, man?
See you, man.
How are you? Good to see you too. Here it is. Fucked up front bumper. Yo, I'm honestly about to rip that bumper off before we drive home. See the lug nut?
It's not, because I forgot I actually had these stock keys, and I had my breaker bar with me in the back.
Okay.
So want to feel obliged to put them on. There's a TPMS sensor.
What is that? Touch-up paint.
Yeah.
This is
Old shit. So I have some bugs.
It's not
I would
enough.
have lifted it up for you and everything.
We could see what we need to see. It's good. It's not as clean as I thought it would be, but it's still definitely not bad. I still think I'm getting the better end of the deal here. Just
rightfully clapped, but it's good.
What do you think, Zach?
I like it. I love it. Got the same headlights as Bryan.
Yeah, need a little buff. Big brake kit. Nice little, got a nice big brake kit. 06 taillights. Yeah, hatch is a little rough. Got to buff this out, clean it up. We got a new fan shroud in here, a new Y pipe, or HR Y pipe. Here's the money right here. This fucking amused dual titanium exhaust. Yeah, but this thing's fine, man. Just needs some love.
It's a good drift car.
Yeah, good drift car. Happy. Yeah.
Alright, what's up, guys? We're here at the Westin. Eyad's test driving the car. We like it. We're gonna buy it. It's a done deal anyway. No big deal. Eyad's just taking a quick test ride to, you know, make sure he's got his heart sold on it. This dude's an idiot, though. I don't know how the f he's getting home. He doesn't want to Uber. He doesn't know how he's gonna get to a rental car place. But as far as I'm concerned, this bitch is a two-seater. Only room for me and Eyad, so he's gonna have to figure it out. We're gonna package it up. We're gonna give this dude some money, and we're gonna head out. Also, we need to stop for lunch because we're fucking starving. So we'll see how that goes. We're just gonna wait here for a little bit till Eyad gets back, and yeah.
87.
All right, guys, here it is. We bought it. We're still at the hotel. Dude left me a wad of cash in here to get gas. Yeah, he was like, "Oh, I promised you the car with a full tank. Like, I'll hook you up." He's a good man. He's a man. He's a man.
Is that for real?
A man of his word. Yeah. So yeah, we just bought the car. We are about to get on the road.
It's like $70. You got the car for $4,900 pretty much.
There you go. We'll check back in a second. We're trying to get the show on the road. Zach's driving. We're in Virginia now. We're what, 6 hours out?
6 hours in, 6 hours out.
6 hours in, 6 hours out. We're almost halfway. Feels like we don't have that much longer, but we're still everything we just did, we got to do over again. Car's good, not overheating or anything. So I mean, it's 350Z. There's nothing special about it. It's running, it's driving. It's got a mean exhaust leak, giving us a headache. So got 6 hours to go. Just chilling. So this little port here doesn't work. Little did we know. And my phone's dead. His phone's at 8%. We're on airplane mode. So, and that's the only port, the only charger in the car. So I wrote down the directions on some paper, and yeah, we're gonna figure it out from there. It shouldn't be too bad, but yeah, we're without phones for the next 6 hours. There's a solution for it, but I doubt it. All right, we'll check back in later. Here she is. Piece of crap bumper. Alright, so we out here at Sheets. Just grabbing a quick snack. About to get back on the road. Almost home, Zach. 4 hours. We'll be ready to go. A little late night unhealthy snack, but you know, it's all good. We're hungry. 8 hours down, 4 hours to go. Oh, by the way, oh God, we got the charger working, so we're good. We'll check back in when we get home. We might not. This might be the end of the video.